What's up, guys? It's Lars from Worship Base Room, and I wanted to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving, and wanted to make this quick little video just to let you all know that the whole Worship Base Room merch is going to be 25% off. Code SAVE25, all caps, no spaces. That'll get you 25% off on all this stuff. So what that means is this will drop to $29.99 plus shipping, etc., etc. And so this sale is going to be lasting through Saturday, so act fast or forever hold your peace. I'm telling you guys, this merch is awesome. I'm wearing it right now. A bunch of people love it. It's very comfortable. It does run a little small, so you may want to get a size up, just FYI. But yeah, happy shopping. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, and last thing, the code will be in the description just in case you forgot. So SAVE25, all caps.